Today I'm cooking rice. Yes, I want to cook rice. All right, so that doesn't mean I'm gonna share my rice with you. Just watch me cook. I will not share this with you. Watch me cook. All right, I told you so. Okay, some of the few things I want to do before I even start cooking. This is my cylinder, the one that I'll cook on. I hope you can see that legend over there. My dumbbells, bro. I love you. And this is my rice. Yeah, this is my rice, genie rice. So I want to take the cylinder outside. Yeah, so I want to take it outside. That is it over there. This is where I will cook the rice. It should be there. Let's go inside again. So here, let me put my camera on a this thing, on a tripod, so you can see everything very clear. So from here, I will take. I'm gonna fetch like 2 cups of the genie rice. 2 cups my genie rice. 2 cups of my genie rice, and yeah. So this is how I used to cook. Yes, watch me. I told you before that I'm not gonna share this with you. If you wanna eat, go cook your own rice. So this is how I do it. See this? This is the first cup and the second one. Oh, did I won? Bro, see, this was in the rice. Fly Dubai, genie, bro. So you will be okay. Let us check what is on. Check what is on this, bro. Oh my God. Said better luck next time. Better luck next time, bro. So that means I'm not lucky. I hate nonsense. I got this whole thing. You are telling me to try next time. Bro, this is fake. Genie rice, this is fake. You should have taken me to Dubai. Bro, my rice is finished. I have to buy, it is finished. I have to buy another one because the month hasn't ended yet. I have to buy another one. I have to buy another one. So this is how I cook my rice. And this is how I cook my rice. So from here, you know what I want to do? I'm going to put this one right here. So normally, if I take 2 cups of rice, I'll fetch 3 cups of water. You understand? So this is 1 cup of water. And second cup of water. And then the third one. So this is the amount of water that will cook my rice for me. Then I'll add salt. I will add salt. salt. I'll do everything before I'll get outside. So if I get outside, I'll just put this on the fire and start to boil the water. So I was having some little spoon. Okay, so let me stir it before I take it outside so that if I go outside, I'll just put it on fire. See, bro, the salt is perfect. So that is it. Normally, you know what I do if if I want if I want to cook rice like this, I'll boil like 14 eggs plus the rice. But I already have eggs over there, so I'm not cooking any egg today. Maybe next time. I have a couple of eggs over there. I have to finish eating it before I cook another one. So maybe next time, if I want to cook with you, but not sharing it with you. So I'm not cooking eggs today. So let's take everything outside. Let's take it outside and I'm going to set fire. And this is my matches. So let me take this one outside. All right, so see there is fire on it. So I want to go bring the water. This is my water. So for sometimes it will start to when it's being boiled up, then I'll go and put my precious rice in there. Yeah. So this is how I cook my rice. See that? That is how I cook my rice every day. You see, let me show you my eggs. I have some few eggs, so no need to cook eggs. Anyway, understand? All these ones are cooked eggs. Understand? This is my eggs. So let me show you inside my fridge. This is my stew, and this is my beans. Yeah, this is my beans. To just help me keep the body. Understand? I want to keep my body, bro. So that is today for us. So after you boil that for some times, bro, I'm gonna pour the rice inside. Then it start to cook. After that, then I will eat some. Then I will start to lift. You understand? So that is all about today. This is what I'm doing in my house today. You understand? This is what I'm doing in my house today. So I don't know. I don't actually know the amount of time it will take before this thing boiled up. My hot water boiled up. But I'm gonna call this one behind the scenes, yes, because the video might be longer. I don't want it to be long. I just want some short. I hope you can see my chest. See that? I just want some short this thing. You understand? I don't want the video to be too much long. Just shh. So I'm gonna bring you how it looks like after everything is done. You understand? Then I'm gonna bring you how it looks like after everything is done. So I'll just go and pour the rice inside and it will start to cook. After it cooked finish, everything will still be displayed here. You understand? We are going to watch everything here. So let me off my camera. Then my water has finished boiling and I've poured the rice inside. So it remains for some time so it can cook. That is it over there. So if I pour the rice inside like that, what I do is I keep my eye on it so that it won't get burned. You understand? Yeah. I don't want my rice to burn too much. So I used to keep my eye on it. Yeah. I used to keep my eye on it so that it won't burn. So it's more time I have to go and check it out so that it won't burn. Yeah. Let's go and check it out. You see what I was saying? You see all of this? That is why I always keep eye on my rice. I have to clean the stove because that's why I always keep my eye on my rice. I have to clean the stove before I bring it I bring it inside so that ants will not come into my room, bro. That would be so crazy. You are sleeping and ants will be biting you. um, I'm gonna clean it before I bring it inside. That is why I keep my eye. I hate that thing. Like, bro, is that's a red flag for me, bro. So small time if the rice finish cooking, I'll just come in, do whatever that I want to do. How I used to do my how I used to preserve my rice so that it will not spoil because that 2 cups I cannot eat it today. So I have to put some in fridge so that I'll be eating it a bit by bit. Okay, let us meet in another scene. Now the rice has been cooked, it is ready. So let's jump on it and do whatever that I want to do. I'm serious about that. Not we, I. So this is it. This is the rice. So you know why this in it, this one is on it. Like if I'm cooking it, when the water dried up, I'll put this one on so that the heat will remain in the pot so that you cook very well. That is why this napkin is on it. Yeah. So let me take it off. And the reason why I put it in the frying pan is I will pour water under it so that um like it will cool down before I will start to take to take the rice out of the pot, you understand? So that I can take out the kanzo, you know kanzo. Yeah. The kanzo will be can be removed quickly. No, the hard way. I'll just take the kanzo very quickly. So if the water cool the pot down, the kanzo can be take out very fast. I don't like eating kanzo, but yeah, I don't like eating kanzo that much. But sometimes because the rice is too hard, like the kanzo will be very, very hard, like you understand. But I used to take it out. Even washing the pot will make easy when it is easy to take out. So this is the rice. As you can see, it is ready. You see what I was telling you now. So this is what I will do now. I have containers in my fridge. So I have containers in my fridge. I will I'll, I'll I'll transfer the rice into this container. Yes, that is what I used to do. I will transfer the rice in this container so that I'll keep it in the fridge because I can't eat everything right away. So I will transfer everything in this container real quick. You understand? That is how I used to do it. I'll transfer it in this container real quick. That is how I used to do it. So let's go. This is how I used to do it. This is how I used to do this one. With the water under the pot is so hot. If I'm not careful, it will destroy my skin. So I have to pour it away so that if I'm doing anything, like I won't get hurt. Bro, please go. Yeah, this way is better. See this? Bro, let me put it on tripod. So let me continue transferring the rice into the container. Yeah, because this thing would take some few days, maybe even a week. Yeah, it will take some few days. Bro, that is how I do it, man. To take some few days or even a week. So I'm transferring everything straight into the container. Then I'll keep it in my fridge. You understand? See that the container is full. I am my boy. It is full now. So everything is going into my fridge straight out. And you know one thing, it has to cool down before I put it in the fridge. If it doesn't cool down, like the vapor from this rice will turn into water and fill the container, and that wouldn't be nice. So it has to cool down for some time before I put it in the fridge. So I'll keep it somewhere so that it cools down. So that is all about it. So I'm gonna be eating mine. After that, then I still continue the workout. So let me eat mine here. This is the one that I will be eating for today. Understand? So the rest will cool down. I'm going to add some beans to it. add some beans to. This is how I eat it every day. You understand? This is my stew. It is almost finished. I have to prepare another stew. Yeah, I have to prepare another one. So it is going into the microwave. It is going into the microwave. You see it, so that the beans is in the fridge. So the beans and the stew will heat. You understand? So let me put it in microwave for like a minute. You understand? I want to put it in microwave for like a minute. One minute 30 seconds. 1 minute 30 seconds, bro. So that is all about my day. So today, that is the pretty things I do. I'm doing. I'm currently doing now. So as it is done heating up, I'll just eat it. Yeah. So that is all about my day. Thank you for joining me, and I love you. What did I say? I said I love you. So let me. No, it doesn't matter. So that is it. That is it, bro. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you 1 million times. So now the food is ready, and I'm eating it already because I'm so hungry since morning. Like it is around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Since I took my morning oats, now that I am eating, that is why I don't like my food to finish before I'll be cooking another one. But today it is late. It got finished. So I'm very hungry, so I'm eating it already. So that is the end of today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video. I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye. You want to eat? I told you before. I told you before that this is for me alone. See you. See you. I love you.